Okay, I'm gonna unbox and review this tripod for you. As you can see, the information on here, it tells you how to do everything, but I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, and I'm gonna show you what I come up with. But check it out. This is what's in the box. This right here is a little phone holder. You know, you put your phone and it can extend. So you just put your phone in here and it clamps down on it by just screwing. And it's got some instructions. This the cable to charge the little receiver remote. And as you can see, the remote, you can just pop it out right there. And once you take the remote out, it say charge it for 3 hours. And as you can see right here, I'm charging it. And I had it charged for 3 hours, and after 3 hours that blue light would go out. So this is the charger. So I already got it charged. It says extend this, and it says it has 7 sections. The instructions say you can extend it. It says 40 inches. That's not 40 inches. If I put my tape measure on here, we're looking at that. It's about 28.5 inches. 40 inches is way up here. So it's 28.5 inches. And this is not aluminum. This is plastic. So the description is totally wrong. But this thing is pretty sturdy. You know, for doing some videos around different places. It's small. You can put it in your pocket. I like it myself. Personally, I like it. So we're gonna put this top on right here, and what you do, you screw it down. So we're gonna go to settings here on my phone. Make sure my Bluetooth is on, and you see it says not connected, but once you turn it on, you see it says connected. It says Young Ing, I think that's how you say it. So now it's connected. So my Bluetooth is connected. So when I go to photos, and any one of these buttons you hit, it would take a photo. It doesn't matter if you hit the plus or minus. This one right here with my iPhone do not zoom in and out. So if I want to take a photo of my phone or of this box, I can hit this button. Watch. You see there, it took a photo. Or I can hit this button right here. It took a photo. Or I can hit the other button. So it do not zoom in and out with my iPhone. So if I want to start recording a video, only thing I have to do is hit any one of these 3 buttons. You see it start recording. If I want to stop the recording, I can hit any one of these 3 buttons and stop. So it do not zoom in and out with the iPhone. So this is the iPhone 13. So even everything on this box, as you can see, it tells you about instructions zooming in and out. But this part right here, it's not 7 sections, it's only 5. So if you try to pull that thing out to 7 sections, you're gonna break it. But as far as what I need it for, sit it down and do recording, it's great for me. Because I'm not gonna be zooming in and out and all that stuff. I can just do a simple recording. So I can use this button right here to do that. Watch, I'm gonna hit the recording, and you can see it start recording. Hit any button to stop it, it stops. But that's my review of this tripod, and it's really sturdy. But other than that, I'm gonna keep it. But it's not, I already sent them a review, saying that, hey, you need to change the description. You need to make sure you're telling people that this do not extend 40 inches. And this right here is not aluminum, it's plastic. I'd rather have plastic anyway, you know, going through the airport. So you could take this thing off. And another thing, when you screw this off, You can also attach your cameras or any other device you may have you want to put on there. Just say, for instance, I want to use this one right here. So the only thing I need to do is take this off and screw this on. And there you go. So you can put different attachments on there. That's the good thing about that. You can put all different attachments. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below or look in the drop down there at the top or look in my comments. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store. And I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down or it's in the description or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.